Hi guys, welcome to Mary's Life in Australia. As you can see, there is two canaries here. We bought canaries because we have different type of birds, but I wanted this one in particular because this one makes different sounds of singing. So first time I'm gonna have canaries. So enjoy watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mary's Life in Australia. Are you done? Are you done? Have your water? This often happens early in the morning or late in the afternoon. They like singing. They are so active during morning. I love you. Hi, good boy. Lucky. Lucky. Hello. Baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Long time no see. Long time no talk. Hey. Daddy's feeding you. Huh? Ay, they go inside. Oh no. Since I bought a dog, I haven't played with my guinea pigs. So there they are. Daddy's the one looking after them. Yes, there they are. Because of the puppy, I got busy and I couldn't look after them. And then, I show you something else. Hello. This is the sister. There you go. Daddy looking after you. Mama inside, huh? Mama inside. And you wanna see the chicken? We got little chooks. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my God! They got babies. Look at that. Yeah, they got babies now. Look. Don't run away. No, they go inside. They hide. There's a pigeon. There's a pigeon trap inside. Okay. They can't get out. Darling! Come here. May natrap na pigeon sa loob. Sawa. There's two pigeons got trapped in there. That's the chicken wings. Yeah. How's the apple growing? There's the apple growing. There you go, guys. Because of this baby, I've been very, very busy and tired. Very busy and tired. Hi, Dreams. Hi, Dreams. How are you? Hi, babies. Mama, I haven't played with you for a while because Jasper's been very busy, Baba. Someone's keeping me busy. Oh my God! My husband captured the two pigeons. Oh,
Doves.
they're probably wild.
Yeah, they are.
There you go.
But they don't like
He went inside the cage of the chicken. Look at that. Oh my God. How did you even get hold of it like that?
Daddy, I'm a trained professional.
Oh my God. Okay. Fly. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, darling, look at all the hair. He's gonna eat it. Hey! Darling, pick it up. Finally, we have. Welcome to Mary's life in Australia. Finally, he's gone to sleep. I'm training him to sleep in the car. Anyway, thank you for watching Mary's life in Australia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Drop off some food to my mom and to my son. So, nauuwi na kami ni Baba.